I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so nothing blocks the fix. Open Roblox on PC and sign in. If you can't, use the recovery email now. Make sure your account email is verified because Roblox sends codes there. Next, get your phone or an authenticator app ready. You'll need it for one-time codes. Once done, verify your password works to avoid lockouts and keep the device you'll use for verification within reach before moving to security settings. You now go into account settings and open the security tab to address two-step verification. If two-step is enabled but failing, disable it first and confirm via email or password prompt. This clears bad configurations. Then re-enable two-step and choose the authenticator app or SMS method depending on your phone. When the site asks, scan the QR code or enter the secret into your authenticator, then type the generated code. This rebinds your account and corrects common token mismatches. You finish by testing a new login immediately to confirm success. Use one of the backup codes if you set them and store them somewhere safe. If codes are rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic and synchronized, because incorrect device time is a frequent cause. Rescan the QR or reinstall the authenticator app if needed. If none of this works, gather your account ID, verification emails, and screenshots. Then contact Roblox support for account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.